Hey guys, I'm at DT. Yes, on all the St. Patty's. I feel like we saw, everything for the most part. Here's the confetti rock and some stampers. Oh, the felt garland. Yeah, I don't remember seeing these. Some bubbles. The lights just went on and off in here. Miss Girl, I won't be in here too long. Oh, here are the LED lights. Oh, they are pretty. So that's rocking. Oh, cute. I haven't seen these. The family card games. Crazy Eights, right? Didn't it used to be Crazy Eights? Like the number 8? Old Mermaid. Old Maid, right? Miss Girl. I feel like I'm at Aldi's with the flow and Go Farm instead of Go Fish. You gotta stop it on that. I'm all the way confused now. I had to stop and see what was rocking. That is funny. Oh, here's the mesh, right? For the bee. Yeah, the yellow and the black. Grab the reef. Make that quick and fast. I feel like I don't remember. Yeah, I feel like I don't remember this. The psoriasis cream. This is the same thing. Relief, right? Oh, this is compared to, Miss Girl. Compared to the active ingredient, right? Dermarest. Psoriasis medicated moisturizer. So that's rocking over here. And then this one. I feel like we're golden over here. All the masks and things. Yes. Miss Girl, when I say that they are rocking everything in the DT, they are rocking. This is compared to Fleet. So yeah, 125 on that. My throat is so scratchy right now. It's getting on my nerves. I want to grab these. I have some of the cherry ones, but I want these in the cart. I've been using these too. The cherry merlot, right? That calming. And then this one is renewing. So I'll use my Neutrogena first. That wipe, and then I'll do this on top. I love it. It's like I'm ending with the calm. You know what I mean? Yes. Oh, yes, these are back. Remember when I saw this? It was like 2 at checkout, Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. And then these right here, Kiss for Keeps. I haven't seen this one yet. So this is like a gloss, I feel like. I don't see the color. Hold on. No, it's a liquid lipstick, but I legit don't see the color on it. So this one right here, oh my goodness. Right? This one, like a fuchsia. This red is fire. That's rocking. And then the purple right here. Am I missing the name? I don't see it. But yeah, they got it going on. Oh, these too. I haven't seen these since I was in Florida. That was the only place I had seen them. This is vanilla right here, the powder foundation. So the vanilla, I can't get it back on. Yes. The honey. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So that's how that's looking. Isn't that pretty? That's so darn pretty. So yeah, wow. I haven't seen those here at home. I've only seen them in Florida. Some Froyo lip balm. Miss Girl, this is creamsicle right here. Oh, what's that back here? Cotton candy. The cotton candy, the chocolate is rocking. The mint, and I was going to say vanilla. It's coconut. So that's going on. What did I Oh, here's the vanilla back here. It's pink though. And watermelon. Wait a minute, the watermelon back there, the strawberry is back there. All right. Wow. It's a whole lot of different flavors. I feel like 6, I think. So these are a hard no, right? These Prolux, the matte setting powder. So you guys were telling me it has talc in it. So we're not rocking. I didn't grab any. I didn't pick up any, but I wanted to let everyone else know too, just in case you don't read the comments. So that's going to be a hard no. Oh, aren't these pretty? Modern French. Neon nail set. I haven't seen these. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, these are the ones I have on. I don't remember the pink, but look. Yes. These are the ones I'm rocking right now. That is so funny. I haven't seen them. I was like, darn, I picked them up and now I can't find them again. Yes. These right here. What else? That's all I see. Oh, hold on. Yeah, modern nostalgia. Right. Yeah, they had a few of them, but these are so pretty. I feel like I'm gonna grab these in the cart. Oh, look at these too, but they're too long. By the time I cut it, you won't really see it. One and two, they're matte. But they're still cute though. Yeah, see, they still working some things out. I'm on camera up here. Yes, I'm obsessed. But I think, oh, York peppermint patties. But I think I'm scanning. Yeah, I think I'm good to go. Girl, look at these lips rocking. I'ma probably need these in the cart. Oh, here we go with the Rice Krispies, right? I haven't seen these. So these look like the Rice Krispies, except it's a whole thing. We like in school, except they don't have color. What are they doing? Oh my goodness. Hold on. See, these were the ones I saw last time. That's the color they should be over here. Miss Girl, let me cover that up. Oh, wow. We're not even rocking any food. I just happened to look up. This is what's going to start happening. I'm going to have to step back because everything's so high now and my neck. But this was all the way at the top. Bouquet, scented sachets. Beval. Oh, yeah. It has a hanger and everything, too. I think it's just one. Yeah, let me grab it and see how that's rocking. In the cart. Yes, on the bag clips. I'm already using mine. I picked these up. Is this different or is that the back? Oh yeah, that's the back of it. Okay. I was making sure I wasn't missing out. I wanted to pop in the plus section. I feel like we saw all the Easter, but I'm glad I ran across these. There are 10 bags in here. Yeah, the contractor bags, heavy duty. I've been putting a lot of, thrifting items in the bags and I need them to be sturdy. I asked hubby, he forgot. Miss Girl, oh my goodness. In the cart. All right, let me get out of here. My back hurts. So yes, on the list. Grab the hauls. I needed a birthday card. And yeah, I want to see how this is going to rock. The scented sachet. Hang that up. And then I grabbed these trash bags. So yeah, that's all I'm rocking. Quick and fast. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, they still rocking the Burp Bees. It's 2 left and check out. All right, bye. All the vapor inhalers up here. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. I'm kind of excited. I haven't been to this Dollar Tree in months. I feel like, yeah, we're pretty good on a Valentine's Day. Moving on. Ah, these signs are so darn cute. Follow the money. He has the chocolate. I'm just trying to get away from the signs, unless I'm gonna put them in the center of a wreath or something. You know what I mean? Darn, that's fire. I like that a lot. I guess because it's brown. Loving the burlap on that one. Yeah, they're so cute. Oh, some of the Easter spades. I haven't seen these yet. Look. That is funny. That one right there. Oh, she's on top of the egg. I'm feeling that one. The carrots. I'm used to seeing, oh, they doing the whole thing. Why did this just remind me of, what is it? Oh, man. 1, 2, 3, red light, green light, or something. What is that book? Dr. Seuss or something? Oh, my goodness. I'm crazy. I'm tripping in here because I can't think. I'm going to put it up on the screen. I don't think it was Dr. Seuss. I think it was something else, but he was in the car going all crazy. Oh my goodness, I just remember it from childhood. Oh my goodness, Miss Girl, moving on. Yes, on all the Be Good Good. I feel like I haven't seen anything with frogs though. Look at them. Welcome to our pad. Yes, on that. Yeah, they got it fully stocked. This cart is sick. I need to switch it out. It's gonna get on my nerves. It's getting on my nerves. Okay, new cart, yes. Oh, they are hard, hot, and heavy with all the Easter. Yeah, all of this wasn't out before. Well, in the other Dollar Trees. I do have this sign right here. Everything else I feel like, this one too. Everything else I feel like is older. Yeah, not these though, the microfiber towels. I don't remember these. Easter wishes. This is with all the eggs. Oh, that's pretty. Just those two. Oh, here are the different color carrots right here, right? The speck eggs, the gold eggs. all of these eggs. Oh my goodness. Are these new pillowcases? I don't remember these ears, and I definitely don't remember this packaging. I could be wrong though. What does that say in there? Hello. Oh, hello Easter. So that's the blue one. And here's the pink one. Does it say hello Easter? Oh no. Hippity hoppity, I think. Miss Girl, this thing is so tiny. Oh my goodness. But yes, on these. Oh, here are the pie holders and the oven mitt. Yeah, the Easter wishes. It's just those two. And here are the eggs. Here are the pie holders up here. They're cute. The coasters are back. The signs, right? Welcome spring. It's gonna be here before we know it. The table covers. Look at the look. It's like a banner. Floral leaves. And then some of the signs are down here. And the different color plates. I remember these. This reminds me of Bridgerton. So yes on that. Yeah. Oh, these are the ones I put in my bathroom. Yes. So the socks aren't really rocking like all the other Dollar Trees I've been in. But they still got it going on. These Tootsie Roll Pops, I haven't seen these yet. Those are cute. Oh, and the actual Tootsie Roll. Did we see these? I feel like I was singing a song or something. I don't know. I feel like I didn't see these because this color is kind of fire, actually. In the cart, Bob is rocking with the mountains. Oh, and these are a different pair of Mike and Nikes. I didn't see these. I think the pair I saw were white. And then these down here. These are the ones I said feel like they're a little tighter, right? Like the ones in the box. I have the sushi ones on now. And they're, you know, they're a little tight on my feet, like around my calf area. So, Miss Girl, they coming off as soon as I get home. Yes. I tell you what, they are not playing with these makeup bags. They are fully stocked. I did use these on the last vacation, right? The Disney vacation. Each one of the girls had one of the pink ones. So, yes on that. Onyx Bathhouse Champagne Wishes. Oh, it's a bath bomb. Oh, that's super cute. Oh, I was about to walk by this and I saw Belle. You better stop it on that. It's a 2-pack. I think they're shower steamers. You better stop it on that. In the cart. I pulled the rest out. It's kind of dark back there. So Princess Jasmine is rocking, right? I cannot believe these are shower steamers. I thought that, you know, they were bath bombs. I can't wait to throw this in the shower. In the cart. And here's Cindy rocking. I keep reading the bottom of it to make sure that that's what I'm picking up. I'm so floored by this. In the cart. And yes, on Ariel. And I feel like I can smell them through the packaging. I don't know, because I'm around all of this. So something else might be rocking, but I'm hoping it's this. In the cart. Oh, here's some more Onyx. Miss Girl, I don't care about these flip-flops now. I found princesses. Beach vacay. What's that say? Oh, Flow Fizzes Spins. Oh, that smells nice. Maybe that's what I was smelling. It does smell nice. So yes on that. Let me tell you, and don't laugh at me, I'm rocking this on my back right now. Miss Girl, I love these things and my back is killing me. I think I said that in the last video. It's been hurting like 2 days. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. So, yes on that. I don't need to restock. You know what? Let me restock. Because my back hurt. I don't want to be without. In the cart. Oh, look at this. The Yardley. I've never seen this in a deodorant, I feel like. A roll-on deodorant. This is the English Lavender. It's alcohol-free. Yeah, naturally inspired. You better stop it on that. I'm gonna try it. In the cart. Some gauze pads. I haven't seen these, the small ones. Yeah, they're here. Yes. Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. It's 4 colors in here. I want to say Air Pasa, but it's not Air. It's Ari, I think. Ari Pasa? Yeah, it's a matte lipstick. So these are the colors that's rocking in here. Oh, here's another one. Yeah, these colors are so pretty. This one with the lollipops on it. Isn't the packaging fire? That's so darn cute. This one with the drinks and the fruit, right? That one, that's like red. We really rocking with that one. Okay, it's like 85 different ones in here. Here's the ones with the lips. That's fire. Are they all? No, they're not all matte. Okay, wait a minute. So this one is just a lipstick. Here's another matte with the balloons, the hot air balloons. These are so funny. The packaging is fire. I'm all about this packaging right here. Look at the shoes rocking. The donuts. This is fun. Oh my goodness. Miss Girl, I'm still rocking. These are the cupcakes, and they're all matte so far except for the one that I picked up. I wonder if they're some of the same colors. This packaging is fire with the plaid. I'm feeling that. That's a matte. We're in Paris now. Oh, this one is just the lipstick. It's not matte. And then this one right here. This is the last one. Oh my goodness. They were all different. And this is a matte. So I feel like out of all of them, only two were just the regular lipstick. All right. So out of all of them, I'm going to grab these two. Yeah, I'm gonna grab these two, one for me and one for you. Yes, and Nika. We saw these already a little while ago. We saw these. These are the same colors that we saw in the last DT. I feel like it, but I'm not sure. But that's rocking. Actually, this one is kind of fire. I think I really like this one. And Nika. The Manny to go, right? Remember the first time I saw this? I thought it said taco. Miss Girl, something wrong with me. This color is really pretty. Reusable nail set, and then it includes a travel pouch. So yes on that. So remember we were looking at these in the last DT? I forgot to put them in the cart. Oh my goodness. In the cart. Yes! They have not had these in so long. These are my favorite nail file. Oh my goodness. 3 in a pack, right? Yes, I need to grab a few in the cart. It's crazy because, you know, you would think these or these are fire. Oh my goodness, I love them. These are in the top ramen. Oh my goodness. I feel like we've seen these before, right? Yeah, I think so. But I don't have it, and these are my favorite oven mitts now. Yes. In the cart. Oh, wow, this box is big. Funfetti complete. Just add water right to the unicorn. 28 ounces. This thing is heavy. The other ones are 15. Look. So, yes on that. How can you pass that up? In the cart. I know I just grabbed this not too many DTs ago, but I need another one. I've been drinking so much tea with this scratchy throat I'm rocking. Miss Girl. In the cart. Let me grab some egg noodles. I feel like I'm going to be making some more chicken noodle soup soon. In the cart. Oh, that's right. Yeah, here they all go right here. No, I just want the little oven mitt I picked up, and I don't even see it over here. All right. I think I'm good to go. Oh, I threw this applesauce in here. Yes, on the Pillsbury Funfetti. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about these. I'm gonna use Belle tonight. Yes, on that, the shower steamer. So I got all of those. Oh, I got you a Belle because she's my fave. The egg noodles, right? Yes, on that. I put these in. I forgot in the last DT. I'm gonna see how this is rocking. And then I threw the lipsticks in here. I didn't get the matte for myself. No, I got you the shoe one. I grabbed some more heating pads. Yes. Some more honey, the Tootsie Roll. I am so excited about these nail files. They're my favorite. So, yes on that. Starting to collect, right? Happy February. Starting to put some things in the cart for you guys too. So, yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. I forgot about this. It just fell out the cart. That's why I fell through one of the holes. Oh, my goodness. All right, bye.